In this video tutorial, we will look at the information available in the Bioengineering Database. The Bioengineering Database contains reference data for natural materials and man-made biomaterials. These include natural fibers, wood and wood-like materials, mineralized tissue such as bone and coral, soft tissue such as muscle and cartilage, as well as the basic structural building blocks of nature such as proteins and minerals. When we open CES EduPack, we are presented with the Databases window. There are two bioengineering databases, Level 2 and Level 3 Bioengineering. These provide different levels of detail. Let's open Level 2 first. On the home page, like in the other databases, we can navigate through different tables and subsets. Note that this database includes 6 special subsets. Biological materials. These are natural materials produced by biological systems. Biomaterials. This is a catch-all subset for all bio-related materials. Bio-derived materials. These are synthesized from natural biological materials. Bio-derived polymers. These are polymers synthesized from natural biological materials. Biomedical materials. These are materials synthesized for tissue engineering or to replace or support body parts. And finally, bioceramics. These are ceramics that are either bio-derived, biological, or biomedical. Let's choose the biomedical materials subset and look at a thermoplastic. We'll choose ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene, which is used in artificial joints, for example, as you can see on the picture. There is a brief description of the material, as well as the chemical structure. As you can see, the datasheet view and the material properties of the record are very similar to a standard record. At the end of the datasheet, we can see supporting information, including typical uses, medical applications, and trade names. There is also a section on biodata. If you would like to find out more information about any of the properties, for example medical grades, then simply click on the eye icon here. This opens a science note in a new window, providing a short explanation and definition. Now let's look at the same material in Level 3 Bioengineering. Let's change database. In the Databases window, let's scroll right to the Advanced section and choose Level 3 Bioengineering. As you can see on the home page, there are a lot more tables and subsets than in Level 2. If we want to find the same record as before, we can navigate through the tree structure. As we can see, there are a lot more materials in the Level 3 Bioengineering database. Another simpler way to find the same record is by doing a quick search. At this level, there is much more detail, but no picture. Additionally, there is a section called Healthcare and Food, including food contact, medical grades and trade names, healthcare applications, different sterilization types, guidance for MRI safety, and a link to the ASM Medical Materials database. Durability and eco-properties can also be found below. Further information about this database can be found on the homepage under Database Information or on our website. In the following video tutorials, you can see how to use the other advanced databases and tools available in CES EduPack.